starting with area. So hopefully this one is just a review. The area of a circle is the space inside the circle. All the space inside. So if you have a highlighter, I'm just going to highlight here where the word area is. Literally everything inside here. Okay? All this area. And so to find the area, we just are going to be following the formula for it. Okay? And I'm pretty sure some of you might remember it. The area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Okay, what does r represent? We should know by now. R is the radius. Okay, so, and that's literally all you have to do is follow the formula and plug it in and round. Okay, so let's do this one. Find the area of the circle, round to the nearest whole number. So area equals pi r squared. What is my radius? My radius is here. Remember, it's from the center to the edge. So it's 5. So I'm plugging in the 5 there. And then squared. And now we just let Desmos do the math for us. So pi times 5 squared. All right, so I see 78.53, but it says round to the whole number. So 78.5 is going to round up to what number? 79, okay? So your area is equal to 79 inches squared. And that's it. Okay. All right, this one. Find the area of the circle. Round to the nearest whole number again. Okay, but this one's a little different. They did not give me the radius. What did they give me? If it's going through the center and it's a chord, that is not the radius. That is the diameter. So what do I need to do to find my radius? I only need half of it. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So my radius is actually 10 meters. All right, so let's go to our formula. Area equals pi times your radius squared. So 10 squared, okay? And then we're just going to plug that in. Let me split my screen. So pi times 10 squared. 314.15. So since it's a 0.1, we can just leave it as 314 for our nearest whole number, meters squared. Okay, area is squared, okay? Make sure you don't forget to put that there. All right, and that's it for area. Let's do sector area. So a sector area, the best way I can relate it to is just an area of a section of a circle. So it's not the whole circle, it's just a section of it. That is sector area, okay? So sector area is a portion of the area. Okay, so look at the difference. Area is all the space inside. Sector area is just a portion of that space. And so since we're doing just a portion, then our equation, just like we did with arc length here, when it was a portion, we have to figure out of 360 how much portion. So for sector area, out of 360, how many degrees of that portion of that whole circle are we trying to find? And then we just multiply the original area formula, which is pi r squared. Okay. Again, this is sector area, a section of the area, a portion. All right, so there's our equation. Let's do our first example here. Find the sector area of the shaded part, round to the hundreds. So 100 has 2 zeros, so I need 2 numbers after my decimal, okay? All right, I'm going to rewrite the equation. Sector area equals x out of 360 times pi r squared. So we're plugging in two things here. What are we plugging in? Well, we need to plug in the radius, and we need to plug in the section, the portion that we're finding. So looking at this circle, they are showing me that the radius is 7, so I have that. And then they're showing me that this small non-shaded area is 20 degrees, so I need to find the rest of the portion. And how are we going to do that? If you know this is 20, I need to find this part. We're going to take away 20 from 360, which is 340. So this shaded area is 340 degrees. All right, let's go to our formula and plug it in. So out of the 360, I'm looking at 340 degrees of that circle times pi times your radius. What's my radius? Right here. 7 squared. Okay? And so carefully input that into Desmos once you have it all filled in. So let me clear this. 340 out of 360 is the portion times pi r squared. Pi times 7 squared. All right, and they want me to round to the hundreds. So right now I have 145.385. So the 8 is going to turn to what? Since it's a 5, we're rounding up, so 0.39. And this is meters squared. Okay. All right. All right, next one. Find the sector area of the shaded part of the circle. Round to the hundreds. Okay, sector area equals your portion out of 360 times pi radius squared. Okay, so what portion are we looking at? We're looking at the shaded area, so that's 45 degrees out of the full 360 of a circle. And my radius is 3 from here to here. Okay, good. So let's just plug it in. And let's use Desmos. 45 degrees out of the full 360 is the portion that we're looking at, times pi r squared, which is 3 squared. Okay. So I have 3.534. The 4 makes the 3 stay the same, so we can just write our answer. The sector area is 3.53 feet squared. Okay. And that is it. That is it for sector area and area of a circle. Okay, remember, area is the space inside the full circle. Sector area is only a portion, so we have to know how much out of the 360 are we trying to find. All right, go ahead and start your Delta math. Have a good day.